what's the good? For Seiko. How you guys been? Leave it down in the comments below, and I will reply back. All right, so right now we're working on the Z currently. Nothing's wrong with it. We're just doing little touches to it, you know, make it look a little bit cleaner and presentable. And yeah, so we just end up doing the exhaust system on here, and we changed the H pipe. I'm gonna show y'all right quick. We just did the I think that was a 2.5 inch H pipe that was on it, but the rest of the exhaust was a 3 inch. So he has 3 inch down pipes, 3 inch test pipes, now a 3 inch H pipe, and 3 inch mufflers. So now it's got the right flow rate, I guess you can say, for the exhaust system and the turbos. And yeah, it sounds pretty good. It sounds like a GTR. Overall, performance wise, it should pick up a little bit of power because everything's equal length now. And yeah, so right now what he's doing is getting his little polished covers for the engine bay. And yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all the engine bay. That's how it's looking right now. Gonna relocate this, excuse me. It's the PTU. She had that right there for now. And yeah, that's gonna go right here. And I'm gonna show y'all once we get done with it, because we're gonna have to tear into this harness a little bit, and that way it can have some room to pull around and go in here and mount on the plate. And I will show y'all that. So yeah. Alright, you guys, so we got the PTU relocation right here. So all it is a bracket, which you can make that yourself, a bolt, and 2 little number 8s with nuts, 8 screws and number 8 nuts, and that's it. So that's how she's looking right now. Kind of clean her up a little bit, and yeah. So I'm gonna wipe this hood down or something. It's filthy. And shoot, yeah, we might possibly be heading to a meet, so we're gonna do this, grab something to eat, and then go head out to a little meet, and then maybe go to the track. Who knows? We'll see what the day carries on with. And yeah, so that's how she's looking now. A few more little parts, and the part is done. So got everything hooked up back there. Gauges, gotta finish hooking them up, and that's really about it. So this car came a long way. Put the covers on, and yeah, that's how she's looking. Say Sunday Beats. That's clean. I like this. A little alright turnout. Look clean, y'all.
Man, I like the wheel. Don't nobody take them off. I like them. Yeah, that thing. Yeah, that thing is good. I like the red frame too. I noticed this. That's rolling by.
Alright, you guys. So this is my buddy's car. I haven't seen him in a minute. He used to have a Z. And he used to have a C7Z. Now he got the Z06. That's crazy. Like that. Check out to the front of the car. Check out everything. Interior look clean. Praise the Lord.
Oh, no way.
Cartok.
Look, watch this. Mr. Ken Watt walked by earlier today. Hey, y'all.
Okay, then.
They said no. They said just because everybody's got it.
That's crazy. Alright, you guys. So, take y'all around, see what's around here. They got the C4. I think, what is this? What's it, Impala? Oh no, Thunderbird. My bad, you guys. I don't know, I'm gonna get copyrighted with this music in the background. If I do, it's alright. I need to get back on the grind anyways. GT500. That's clean. Some carbon wheels. Yeah, GT500. Yeah.
It's yours?
Nuh-uh.
No, it's mine either.
It's clean though.
It is. It's nice.
Yeah, at least. I hollered out there. That's clean. A Bronco. Chill little meat. It's old school of my dad's. It's clean. Like that. You can't go wrong with no old school, you guys. For real. One day on the channel, I'm gonna build one. Take y'all over here, look at the vets in a little bit. Yeah, dark horse. It's clean. That's crazy to find these. Look at that. Great condition. Crazy.
Start this, and we still like, we were paying $100,000.
Clean G, Lord. Them regular cars, and it's this Whipple truck. I seen this one around, but I haven't really actually like took a chance to look at it. 4-star wheels. Ain't gonna lie, it's pretty clean. That black on black, that stealth look. Still smell like a new truck. So far, so good, you guys. It's pretty chill. Another C8. Like this one, a Stingray. You can see.
So you want to race the blaze? Oh, that's racing.
Clean. You got the C7 over here.
Well, it's a big truck and it eats that go into the horses. Well, when they got to that 4th edition, they got it right. Yeah. I don't even know what this is. I don't know about it.
It's clean. C7Z. It's Stingray. It's crazy. That's where it all started. Like that color on here. It's pretty sleek. Like that. My buddy got a Mustang just like this. I'd have sent a video to him. I don't know if you guys remember my buddy DeMarcus with the orange Mustang. He still has the old Mustang, this chassis, but the other one he sold it. So yeah. Guess that's where the gas tank sits. Oh, okay then. Okay then. Talking about room, that is crazy. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's so mirror, the windows are so clean. It's crazy. That's crazy. Head on the pipe like that. Woo. Got the triple carburetor. You know that don't spin some fuel. And it's fixed still, I think. That's crazy. I mean, that's good. What? You don't need that. Bro, you need you a real truck.
Somebody brought the Outlander.
That's crazy. That Bronco clean. Send a picture to him. That's clean. Trans Am. Oh, you got the T-tops on this. I used to want one of them. This look nasty. A&A, boy, that boy be a boy. Yeah, this one. Where's my that one? That's Firebird. It's clean though. Jeep clean, boy. Big old tires on here. I had to do my truck like this.
My dream house.
A Jeep. Yeah. That's crazy, guys. Look what popped up. Alright. See the interior. That's crazy. Imagine driving this on the road. Big old filter. It's crazy. You got the old Firebird. Alright, got this one. Remember this one from Mexico. It's pretty stout. It's pretty stout. I think he just got it back put together. Been a little minute, but sound pretty good. It's got a cam in it and whatnot. Stick shift. And you got the what's the 5th gen. See, I don't know about too much about Camaros like that. I just know about the Z01s, the 6th gen, 5th gen a little bit, but not too tough. I think that's a 2300. I want to say supercharged on it. Overall, I mean, it's a decent turnout. So yeah, that interior is clean, you guys. Get a phone holder. Then you go back here. You literally can put a body back there. Crazy. Come here. Bowser. No. Come here. What you doing? This little boy right here. Bowser. You wanna play with the ball? Hmm? Where your ball at? Where ball at?
Race to the finish, push it to the limit, and we winning, speed, racing to the finish, push it to the limit, and we winning, speed, racing to the finish, push it to the limit, speed, racing.